The moment the first tremors struck, the terror of what scientists call a superquake. One of the largest ever recorded, the shockwaves powerful enough to do damage hundreds of miles from the epicenter. Then a second, deadlier phase of this catastrophe, the tsunami. Giant waves surging inland, generated when the earthquake lifted the ocean floor and forced up a great mass of water. The impact potentially felt right across the Pacific.
These are very fast-moving events, and we do have a very limited amount of data to work with. So you can hear right now our civil defense sirens are going off. We issued a warning to the state of Hawaii just about half an hour ago.
The Pacific Rim is so volatile, it's known as the Ring of Fire. The region around Japan is on the margins of some highly active tectonic plates. The Pacific plate is pushing to the west at 3 inches a year, being forced under the Asian plate, and today causing a massive jolt on the seabed that triggered the tsunami.
The fault has broken along a line hundreds of kilometres long, tens of kilometres wide, and all that amount of land has suddenly moved by several metres. That's an enormous amount of movement. It's an enormous amount of energy.
The tsunami struck Japan first, but while the sea is overwhelming the Japanese coast, other waves are radiating across the Pacific. Now, this is the forecast for where the tsunami will spread across the Pacific and by when. Already it's hit Taiwan, but caused no damage. New Zealand has also downgraded the threat, but the big unknown is the potential impact on the dozens of very low-lying islands right in the middle of the ocean. For a tiny island nation like Tuvalu, this could be devastating. Most of the land is only 3 or 4 meters above sea level. For many people, these are very anxious times. Meanwhile, in Japan, every image has the power to shock. Here, a giant whirlpool out at sea, a small boat caught in the vortex. And the crisis is still unfolding. David Shookman, BBC News.